welcome back to another travel video. So, you're heading to London, so I'm guessing that's why you clicked on this video. London is one of the biggest cities in the UK and it is so popular for tourists from all around the world to head there all throughout the year. The thing is, it is so easy to get swept up in these avoidable mistakes that will end up costing you time and money while you're seeing this beautiful city. Now, if you're ready to learn about all the most common mistakes tourists make when they visit London, then keep on watching. Now, one of the most costly mistakes tourists make when they go to London is they forget to tap off on the underground. When you visit London, you will definitely be using the underground at some point throughout your trip. Now, tapping on and tapping off is essential because it is quite expensive to use the underground, but if you forget to tap off, you can get charged some hefty penalty fees. So to avoid this common mistake, just don't forget to tap off. The next common mistake tourists make when they visit London is they forget to look right. Traffic comes from the right in London. Now, although we get taught as children to look left and right whenever we cross the road, from habit we can forget to look right last. So, make a conscious effort of this in London and don't just look left. The next really common mistake tourists make when they head to London is they solely eat at pubs. Now, we're not saying don't eat at pubs because they are amazing and have a great selection of menu options, but London is one of the most multicultural cities in the world, which means they have some amazing cuisines from across the globe. In particularly, London is very well known for its Indian cuisine. Another thing you need to make sure you don't do when you go to London is just staying in London. Now, London is great and it can definitely keep you busy for days, but there are so many amazing day trips that you can do just outside of London, such as heading down to Windsor Castle or going on a tour to Bath or Stonehenge. Now, going back to the London Underground, another common mistake and something you need to make sure you don't do when you go to London is stand on the left-hand side of the escalators. Standing on the wrong side will stop the flow of the traffic trying to walk up the escalators, and you will definitely annoy quite a few Londoners in the process. Now, another thing you need to make sure you don't do when you're in London, and that is to don't forget to buy online tickets for a lot of the main sites. It can cost you a lot more if you buy tickets on the spot, as well as that you would be actually standing in the queue for a lot longer. A lot of the websites that you can buy tickets online will allow you to visit these monumental sites in the fast lane. So be prepared. If you know exactly how long and what you want to do while you're in London, I would highly suggest jumping online and pre-purchasing all the tickets that you need prior. Okay, so there you have it, all the things you need to make sure you don't do when you go to London. These tourist mistakes will honestly cost you time and money, as we mentioned, so make sure you make a note of all the things we mentioned, and if you have any further suggestions, then please leave them in the comment box below. Now, as always, thank you so much for watching and we cannot wait to see you in the next video.